Hey friends, welcome to Coorg, the Scotland of India. This is the amazing view from my hotel room. This place is famous for its green mountain, coffee plantation, cool weather and amazing waterfalls. The fresh air and peaceful nature here make this place perfect for relaxation and travel lovers. If you love nature and adventure, so Coorg is definitely a must visit place in India. Let's explore Coorg together. At first, I'll share you the best places in Coorg. First one is Mandalapatti. This is famous for jeep rides and cloud views. Second one is Dubare Elephant Camp for elephant interaction and river activities. Third one is Talakaveri. This is the origin of Kaveri River. And the fourth one is Nagarhole National Park. Here you can experience wildlife safari. Today our destination is Dubare Elephant Camp. This is the famous elephant camp. You must visit this place. See, we reached here. Here you can see the beautiful outer view. As soon as we reached Dubare Elephant Camp, we saw a huge crowd standing in a line for tickets. Here I'll guide you for ticketing. The staff informed us that tickets are available only till 10 or 11 am. So it's better to come early. Otherwise the ticket counter gets closed. If you reach here late and find the ticket counter closed, then you would not be able to visit this place. And honestly, that can be really disappointing. So, if you are planning for visiting Dubare Elephant Camp, make sure to come as early as possible to avoid missing any experiences. From here, you can enjoy a beautiful boat ride to reach the elephant camp. There are different boat options available. You can choose a private boat or a share boat ride. We decided to go with a share boat ride, and the experience was really fun and exciting. After the boat ride, finally we reached the elephant camp, surrounded by nature and beautiful scenery. Hey, look at these cute, beautiful elephants and enjoy the amazing moment with me. They are happily playing and interacting with everyone here. After enjoying the beautiful scenery, now we are heading back and moving towards our next destination. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Rajendra Nandini by me, Sudipta Karmakar, for more travel updates and amazing vlogs. Our next destination is Ningamma Institute, the Bauddha Temple, and Nisargadham Tourist Center. Don't go anywhere. Subscribe to Rajendra Nandini for more updates. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.